Hello everyone, welcome to my teaching series. In this period, we'll continue to unlock the Chinese consonant elicious. This is part 4. In this part, we'll cover all the elicious left. Let's take a look at the first group, zhi, chi, shi. This group of letters is known as the retroflex sounds. To pronounce these letters, we can first start with z, c, s, and then curl up our tongues backward slightly, like z, zhi, c, chi, s, shi. Let's repeat. Z, c, s, zhi, chi, shi. When zhi, chi, shi are paired with the vowel e, they are considered as whole recognition syllables and should be read together as a whole. Zhi, chi, shi. These 3 letters can be a little tricky for non-native Chinese speakers because there are no similar sounds in English phonetic symbols. But take it easy. We can be familiar with the sounds by reading the following Chinese words with the pronunciation of zhi, chi, shi. Read after me, please. This is the first one. zhi, zhi, 果汁 juice, 果汁 值 价值 value, 价值 指 指示 instruction, 指示 质 资质 qualification, 资质 Let's read these words again. 知 果汁 值 价值 指 指示 质 资质 The second one is 吃 吃喝 eat and drink 吃喝持支持 support 支持齿牙齿 tooth 牙齿赤斥资 invest 斥资 Let's repeat all these words 吃喝持支持齿牙齿斥资 The third one is 诗词 poem 事实 fact 事实史历史 history 历史室教室 classroom 教室 Let's read these words again together. 诗词实事实史历史室教室 is also a retroflex sound, and it is a whole recognition syllable as well when it is paired with e. To master the pronunciation of r, we can take the English phonetic symbols r in words such as rose, rock for reference. In English pronunciation, it sounds as r, while in Chinese, it is pronounced as r, such as 日本, Japan, 日记 diary. Once we know the difference between the two, we can pronounce the sound properly. Let's practice reading the Chinese words with the sound of r, r, 日 日月 the sun and the moon 日月日值日 on duty 值日日日期 date 日期日生日 birthday 生日 In Chinese, there is only one word that is pronounced as 日, which means the sun or the day, and it is always in the fourth tone. Please read all these words after me one more time. 日日月日值日日日期日生日 E is known as a semi-vowel. It sounds similar to the English semi-vowel E in words like yeah, yes. It is used to help the vowel E to form syllables. For example, when the vowel E forms a syllable of its own, the semi-vowel should be placed before it. They are written as E, but pronounced as a single sound, E. Let's practice reading the following words containing E as a whole recognition syllable. 衣 衣服 clothes 衣服宜适宜 suitable 适宜已经 already 已经意义 significance 意义 Let's go through all these words once again. 衣服宜适宜已经意义 U is also known as a semi-vowel. Actually, there is a similar English semi-vowel in words like wood. Wu. In Chinese, Wu is used to help the vowel U to form syllables. For instance, when the vowel U forms its own syllable, the semi-vowel U should be placed in the front. When U and U are combined, they become a syllable as a whole and should be written as U. The following are the words containing the pronunciation of U. Let's read them together. Read after me, please. 巫师 magician 巫师无聊 boring or bored 无聊舞跳舞 dancing 跳舞雾霾 smoke 雾霾 Read these words after me once again. 巫师无聊舞跳舞雾霾 That's all for the fourth part of the Chinese initials. Let's read all the letters again before we end the period. 知吃诗日乌 To sum up what we have learned, we can see 知吃诗 and 日 are all retroflex sounds, and when each of them is paired with E, they form a syllable that can be recognized as a whole. E and U are both semivowels in Chinese. They are used to help E and U to form syllables. Let's read these letters again as recognition syllables. zh, ch, sh, r, I, U. Let's read them again. zh, ch, sh, r, I, U. So much for the fourth part of the consonant initials. If you find the teaching video helpful, feel free to share it with your friends. The sounds can be tricky, but keep practicing and you will get the hang of it. Stay tuned for more and see you soon.